Let's find out who's in this pack. We have a Future Stars card. Very nice. Kairi Sane. Beautiful card there of Kairi Sane from Damage Control, the Future Stars. We have another Future Stars, Tommaso Ciampa. NXT Future Stars. We have Mustafa Ali performing a crossbody. Next, we have a bronze parallel of the Demon Finn Balor. The Demon Finn Balor. Very nice. And our big Legends cards in this pack is the Booker Man. Five-time WCW World Champion. And the last card in the pack, it's King Harley Race. Very nice.